Hi guys! So, currently, nandito kami sa Ascend Global Summit. Kasama ko yung one of the top branch manager nationwide. So, si BM Jude Alejandro. So, BM, meron na akong question sa'yo para sa mga viewers natin. So, okay lang ba? Share mo sa amin quick background prior joining Pro.
And hello sa mga viewers niya. So, I am a CPA by profession. So, bago ako nag-join ng ProLife UK, I have been teaching sa university namin sa Ateneo de Zamboanga ng Taxation and Accounting. Then, after 2 semesters, I flew to Manila to join an audit firm. So, naging auditor ako dito sa Makati. Then, I saw ProLife UK after 6 months of working.
Wow! So, thank you so much, BM, no? Ganda ng background, guys. And, BM, bakit pala or paano ka napa-join dito sa industry ngayon?
Okay, so I was invited by my then classmate to join the industry. So, chinek ko lang naman nung sabi niya sa akin to attend the preview. Then, nagustuhan ko siya. And sabi ko, I think I can do this on the side, part-time. Tapos, the rest was history. By the way, the person who have invited me is now my husband.
Wow! So guys, baka naghahanap kayo ng someone, join na kayo dito sa kanila. Charot! So anyways guys, yun no, back then, so gusto lang talaga ni BM magkaroon ng part-time. Pero nagustuhan niya dito kay Pro and currently branch manager na siya. So BM, question lang, ilang years ka sa industry natin ngayon nung nakuha mo yung first 1 million income mo year to date?
Less than 2 years. 1 year something.
Wow! So, yan. Eto, BM, ano yung habits na sa tingin mo nagdala sa'yo sa ganitong level of success na yun?
Number 1, consistency. Number 2, persistent. No? So, you have to be very persistent. Tapos number 3, yung habit of wanting to really grow as a person day in, day out. So, every day, yung goal ko lang is to be better than yesterday.
Wow, grabe yan guys, no? Imagine, ang competitors mo dito guys, sarili mo eh. So, ang goal mo, kailangan maging better ka every day. Okay, so, advice naman BM sa mga viewers natin ngayon na gusto din mag-succeed sa industry na papasukan nila.
Okay. Firstly, kailangan empty your cup. No? So, even if you are a supervisor na sa current job mo or eto na yung mga experience mo, syempre, what you are entering is also something new. So, you have to empty your cup para may pwedeng pumasok. No? May pwedeng pumasok. Tapos, secondly, is to really ask for help if you need help. Diba? So, kasi sabi nga sa isang book, Good to Great, very important yung professional will tsaka yung humility. No? So you have to have the will to succeed and at the same time, you are humble enough to ask for help, humble enough to know that there are a lot of things for you to learn. Yan. Tapos siguro number 3, yung pinaka-tip ko is know your why, bakit ka papasok doon, so that every time na challenge ka, you will always go back to your why and you will keep on going. Yeah.
Wow, so grabe guys, yung learning ko talaga doon, empty your cup. Kasi sa bawat ginagawa natin guys, dapat humble tayo na matuto talaga. Okay, so last question na BM. Nakikita ko kasi na lahat ng ginagawa mo is to glorify our Father or to glorify Him. So, ano yung pinaka-favorite verse mo, BM, na yun yung nagdadala sa'yo to keep going?
Ako always na inisip ko yung John 3:30. No? So, He must be greater, I must become less. So, in everything that I do, I want to be excellent, pero always ko gustong ibalik kay Lord yon kasi alam ko sa Kanya galing yon and I'm just becoming a good steward of His blessing sa akin.
Wow, thank you so much BM for your time and sobrang na-appreciate ko na binigyan mo kami ng oras para mapanood tayo sa video.
Yeah.
So thank you BM and
Thank you.
bye guys!
Bye!